What's going on? This is your boy John coming at you. I put some fog lights on my Grom. Here they are. This is what I did. So in the last video you see I revised the bracket to make it a lot better. So here we go. Here's a look at them. 3D printed them and everything. Came out really good. I'm super happy. Here's the switch. Oh yes. So the steering's really good and it clears really well. So that's it. That's what I did, guys. I put fog lights on my Grom. They're mad bright. I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe, like, and share the video.